Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to enjoy the free trial on Ubisoft Plus, then this video is for you. Actually, if you are on Ubisoft.com and Ubisoft Plus, here you can see Ubisoft Plus. So if you want to get the Ubisoft Plus on your Ubisoft library, then you have to simply log into your account. So right now probably there is no offer from here for the free trial, so you can actually enjoy the free trial from in the present days. But sometimes for promotional reason or for any occasion, they actually offer a free trial to those players who want to experience the Ubisoft Plus. So you have to be updated with the Ubisoft network, then you can get the news about the free trial if they publish one. So right now there is no free trial available on Ubisoft Plus. You can log into your Ubisoft account, or you can create a new one to get the news about the free trial if it's available or not. So in probably many different types of occasions or in promotional campaign, they actually offer the free trial. Also, you can go to the pricing section that I have already showed you. Then from here you can find the free trial, that get your free trials, or simply you can get a free trial for a certain time. So don't worry, you won't get charged for that free trial. You can cancel the trial anytime you want, but before that you have to enter your the payment details like your credit card or debit card credentials to get the free trial. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.